All right, team, spread out. I want a full report on the track integrity and the extent of the rust on the boom by nightfall.
We're barely making a dent in this track.
How are the rollers looking down there?
Completely seized. This is worse than we thought.
Check the pressure manifold on the lower assembly.
It's completely seized, Supervisor. The fittings are fused. Look at the state of this corrosion near the manifold. It's completely seized, Supervisor. We'll need a full structural assessment before we even think about moving it.
Okay, pull on 3. 1, 2, 3. It's moving.
This joint is failing. It's a priority 1 structural repair. Get the welders ready.
All teams, maintain slow pull. We have clearance on the boom. Roger that. Slow pull maintained. Lock the forward hydraulics now.
Supports locked. Pressure holding steady.
Final checks complete.
All right, team, keep it steady.
Where are you?
Copy that, moving up slowly. And stop.
All right, team, focus on the boom. I'm noting significant corrosion here.
Roger that. Checking the hydraulics now.
All right, team, move to the left side. Let's clear the hydraulic lines next. Make sure to report on the corrosion levels.
Keep the pressure steady, it's almost there. Confirmed, it's starting to turn.
Easy now, just a little higher.
Clear on this side.
Okay, bring it down slowly.
Okay, easy now. Watch the pressure on that connection point. Bring it down another 5 centimeters, slowly. That filter is completely clogged. Let's get the wiring harness disconnected before we pull the pipes. All points secured. We are clear for extraction. Easy on the lift. Watch your spacing on the left. Hold steady, then traverse right to the platform. Okay, focus on the exhaust manifold bolts next. These are heavily seized. Use the induction heater first.
We have 12 thousandths deviation on the bore gauge here.
That explains the blow-by. The scoring is extensive.
This block is beyond specification.
Verify the calibration. We need 350 Newton meters on this sequence.
Did you verify the alignment on the new housing?
Yes, Supervisor, it's perfectly seated.
The undercarriage is complete. Now let's focus on the hydraulics installation and getting this engine ready to drop back in by the end of the week.
Hold it right there. Are the rear mounts aligned?
Almost, just a few more millimeters down.
Connection secure. Confirm torque.
Confirmed, Supervisor. System is holding pressure.
Bring it left just a touch. Got it. Got it. Pulling left. And easy down. Watch the clearance on the sprocket.
Make sure the ultrasound tests are clear on these welds. I want this framework perfect before the next phase.
Almost there. Watch the corner.
Okay, pressure on the seal now.
The seating looks absolutely flush. Very clean.
Make sure you get those weld seams on the bucket. We need it perfect before primer. Adjust your angle slightly there. Make sure we get full coverage on the weld.
How are the track assemblies looking?
All fasteners are torqued to spec, Supervisor. Ready for final testing.
Hydraulic pressure is perfectly stable across all gauges. The system is operating smoothly. We have a successful test.
Another successful restoration by the Restoration Garage. Well done, everyone.